This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. The Madhya Pradesh School Education Department has released guidelines for administrative and voluntary transfer of teachers and academic staff. The transfer process will begin on June 8th and continue until July 15, 2026. Teachers seeking inter-district transfer can apply online from June 8 to June 15. Application for district divisional and state cadre transfer will be accepted from June 8 to June 17. The department has introduced a separate transfer policy following the state government's transfer guidelines. All application and approval will be processed through an online system to ensure transparency and efficiency. Congress Rajya Sabha candidate Meenakshi Natarajan received a modest welcome at the party office in Bhopal on Saturday. While BJP candidates filed their nomination with a strong show of support, only a few Congress leaders and workers were present to greet Natarajan. The situation sparked political debate, with BJP questioning Congress unity ahead of the election. Responding to the criticism, Natarajan said all Congress MLAs are supporting her candidate. The contrast between the two parties' nomination event has become a talking point in Madhya Pradesh politics ahead of the Rajya Sabha election. The All India Brahmin Society has expressed dissatisfaction over the BJP's Rajya Sabha candidate selection in Madhya Pradesh. Society President Pushpendra Mishra said the decision reflects the continued neglect of the Brahmin community. He stated that Brahmins have played a major role in strengthening the party since the Jan Sangh era but are now being politically sidelined. The organization has urged the BJP leadership to reconsider its approach and ensure fair representation. The remarks have added a new dimension to the political discussion surrounding the Rajya Sabha election in the state. Madhya Pradesh has secured another major investment under the leadership of Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav. Global consumer healthcare company Helion will establish its first manufacturing facility in India at the Smart Industrial Park in Pithampur. The foundation stone ceremony will take place on June 8th. State officials say the project is the result of continuous investment outreach programs, industry summit and international business engagements. The new facility is expected to boost industrial growth, create employment opportunities and strengthen Madhya Pradesh's position as a preferred destination for global investment. A shocking incident has been reported from Kargahat Kamti village in Pandurna district of Madhya Pradesh. A dead baby snake was allegedly found inside a nutrition food packet distributed through an Anganwadi center. The packet had been given to a pregnant woman who fortunately did not consume the food. The discovery triggered concern among local residents and raised questions about food quality and safety standards. Villagers expressed anger over the incident and demanded district action against those responsible. Authorities are expected to investigate how the contaminated packet reached the beneficiaries. Pre-monsoon activity has intensified across Madhya Pradesh, bringing strong winds, rain and hail to several districts. Areas including Narmadapuram, Sihor, Devas and Shajapur experienced thunderstorm while hail was reported in parts of Shajapur. Strong winds uprooted trees in Itarsi, Makhannagar, Sioni, Malwa and Khargon, causing local disruption. Weather officials have warned that wind speeds may reach 40 to 50 km per hour in some regions. The changing weather has provided relief from the heat but also increased the risk of damage to property and crop in affected districts.